So if we continue with these, this is a power of a power. So remember, this outside power just needs to, everything on the inside needs to be raised to that power. I can put a 1 there and say 4, so I have 3, and then 4 times 1 is 4, and then I have the 4 there, and then 4 times 4 is 16. Okay. Remember, whenever we're raising a power to a power, you take this outside power and multiply it to any powers on the inside. And then here, all of these powers are 1 on the inside, so you have 2x and z, and then 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4. And again, it doesn't matter how big or how many things are in the inside. Those are the powers. I'm going to put 2 PQR. The P should have been next. You know what? That one's okay. I'm just going to leave it the way it is now. So it goes 3 times 1. That's 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And then here I go 3 times 2 is 6. And then 3 times 4 is 12. So 2 to the 3rd power, q to the 3rd power, p to the 6th power, r to the 12th power. And then for this one, 3, a, b, c. Again, multiply the powers. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. And that does have a 1 there. And 4 times 1 is 4. Okay. So that's 7 through 10. I'm going to continue with these. If you look, whenever you have the same thing in the top and the bottom, it cancels. Well, let me show you the long way, and then, well, you can decide how you're going to do it. So you have the 4 up there, and that r to the 4th, I know that tells me there's 4 r's there. And then you have r4, r4, so we technically have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 r's in the bottom. And then if you start to cancel, 1 on top, 1 on the bottom, 1 top, 1 bottom, 1 top, 1 bottom, 1 top, 1 bottom, you're left with 4 on top and r to the 4th power. Now some students probably saw that from the beginning. You could have said, hey, look, that r4 is going to cancel with that r4, and that's what we're left. Which if you saw that, great. You could have skipped everything I did. Okay, but you could also expand it this way. So like this one, you should say, hey, there's a 4 up top, 4 on the bottom, those cancel. And then if you look at the x's, you have 6 x's. Well, here, let me simplify the bottom a little bit. So I combine the x cubed and the x cubed, and I put x6, and then you have that 3. Then you can say, we still have the 3, but if we subtract 1, take away 6, we get a minus 5. Well, you should think, hey, that 5 goes to the bottom, and it's not negative anymore. And then always don't forget about the 1 on top. I'm going to pause this.